Okay, take a look at the ANPUDS torque wrench. We got our instructions and good. So we do have an inspection certificate on here. So what that means is somebody actually looked at this torque wrench to make sure that it was inspected. So when they set it to 34, they got a measurement of 34.62, 34.66, 34.59. So those are all within 1 foot-pound, which is excellent. At 102, they got 103.12, 103.10, and 103.24. So again, very close, especially for a high torque. At 170, they got 169.93, 173.5, and 177.3. That is extremely accurate. This is a very accurate torque wrench. And it has a very nice look to it too. So the most important thing, in my opinion, is that they actually put this gold on black. So this is going to be very easy to see, unlike most torque wrenches. So very easy to read. We can see it goes all the way up to 170 foot-pounds. And we have a Newton meter measurement on this side. So that is equivalent to about 230.5 Newton meters. This is a collar style, and I really like the design of this handle. It looks like a lightsaber handle. But this is my preferred style of lock. So if you want to change the measurement on here, it will not spin by hand. You have to pull down on the collar, and then you can spin it. So you can see you can move this fairly quickly. And then if you get that between two numbers, all you have to do is move it and it automatically locks in place. So you know you are right where you want to be. It is a 1/2-inch drive and is a very nice feeling 1/2-inch drive. That is a smooth feeling ratchet. It is also reversible and it is a push button socket release. Wow, also feels very nice. That is a smooth feeling release. Most of these feel like a little grimy. This one feels just clean. But what that's going to do is it's going to drop that ball so you can remove the socket. And that makes it very nice if you got to do it one-handed, because you can easily just push that in, drop the socket, and then pull it out. Now the thing that makes this set stand out is it actually comes with 3 sockets, and these are plastic coated sockets. Now the reason you want to do that is because if you're going to be changing out the lug nuts on a wheel and you got a very nice magnesium wheel, you can run this on the inside and you don't have to worry about the metal scraping on the wheel and scratching it up. So these are very nice sockets to have. You can see this is a 21. We also have a 19 and a 17. So that is going to cover most of your lug nuts. They are all 6-point. They are drilled on the corners, which is going to be good for off-corner loading. So very nice deep well sockets. But it also comes with an extension and an adapter. So this is almost a 5-inch extension. So we're looking at about 12.5 centimeters. It is 1/2-inch drive by 1/2-inch drive and has a nice knurled grip right here if you need to spin this with your fingers. We also have a 1/2-inch to 3/8 adapter. So if you need to use this torque wrench with a 3/8 socket, you have the option to do that right here in the case. Cool. So that was a pretty awesome torque wrench.